So in this video I decided to do like a half wig because I feel like this is something very easy to do. So I parted my hair down the middle. In this video you will see me shampoo, blow dry, condition, braid, and part, install the bun in the back piece. So this hair is called Kinky Straight. It's designed to look more natural, more fluffy, more like African American hair. Supposed to look very realistic. As you can see, you really can't tell if this is my hair or the extensions, and that's what we want to go for. So please go ahead and continue to watch, and before you go, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. Leave your feedback, and peace and love. Thanks for watching. Hair video. This is going to be a simple hair tutorial on how I do a half wig. Today featured is this beautiful hair piece I made myself personally. I just sewed it onto like a little stocking cap, and you sew it onto the back of your head, and then we'll style it. This is to look very natural, very easy. So my hair has just been shampooed. I'm going to blow dry it. First I'm going to use a couple things. So we're going to use the Wow Hair Growth. And I kind of like to just put that like throughout my hair. Kind of massage it into the scalp. The next thing we are going to do is spray it using Mizani. Come on. There we go. This smells so good. It has 25 miracle milk. It's called 25 miracle milk. 25 benefits. It's a leave-in conditioner for all hair types, but I'm sure it's mainly for curly hair. So we're just going to spray that throughout this fro. And now we're going to part it in sections. Part it right there, right behind the ear. Put it right there. So I would be able to wear my hair in 2 different styles. Well, actually a couple different styles. I'll be able to wear it up in a bun, or my hair's a little short right here because I used to wear a bun all the time. And then I pull my hair out. So, but I can do like a little top knot, or so we're going to just braid this down. This is a great protecting hairstyle as well. So not really putting that much heat on it or anything like that. So we're just going to braid. It don't really need to be we are done with that. Again, we're going to go ahead and put this back into a ponytail because we need to leave that out. First thing you want to do, grab your hair, make sure it fit, which this one does because I've worn it several times already. So I know it fits. And now we are just going to sew it on.
Didn't. Never assume anything, kiddo.
Too bad your boys aren't here to back up your story.
Maybe he's telling the truth.
Let's say he is. Shamik sees all that cash and says, oh shit, there's no way I'm splitting that 3 ways, so... Now it's a 2-way split instead of 3. Shamik is covered his share of the cash.
By cop. Like you said, you're the victim, not a suspect, right? So go. Wherever. You got no clothes, you got no money, and your friends are gonna be looking to finish the job, right? But you're a man. You can be just fine, Chico. Chico is the man.
Upwards.
Pop was a friend.
Take our little baby brush.
Deserves the best. You see, you've been busy. What about this lad right here? Tone. I had to let him go. Nothing humbles a man like gravity. Remember, same as always, this body can't exist.
Give me some baby hair. Right, so now do we have like our little, this little part of my hair just don't want to lay down. I'm gonna tie this part up. So from this point you can either curl it or wear it straight. Have a really cute natural hairstyle. and I think I might curl it. So that went. Yeah.
All right, what happened to you? You get hit by a bus?
Alright, so now that we are all done, I just threw some curls in it.
I ain't no barber. What about you?
That's it. That's it. That's it, that's it, that's it. Even there it looks natural. Even though it's not like all neat or whatever, that's how I want it to be. So this is Ab here from My Force of Beauty. Peace and love, and hopefully you learned something today. So please go ahead and before you go, like and subscribe to my video and leave a comment. I would love your feedback. Anyways, peace and love.